Chris Picciurro, MRR Institute. One of the things I learned from our professional athlete clients is that just because you get paid does not make you a pro. That's why I'm on a basketball court. Now, not the best basketball court, but it's still a basketball court. Anyway, what do I mean by that? What I mean is run your practice in a very professional manner. Run it like you would want to be treated as if you were a client of your own practice. One of the little things that I see out there that's an example of being a pro is having a nice domain name and an email address for your tax business instead of using Gmail, Yahoo, or AOL. So run your business very professionally. You set the standard for what you expect out of yourself, and that will transfer on your clients. So just because you got paid to prepare a tax return, in my book, doesn't make you a pro's pro.